If you ever find Yahoo Mail text a little too small or hard to read, there's a super quick fix you can use right away. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom Yahoo Mail text for easier reading using a simple keyboard shortcut that works in your browser. This is perfect if you want bigger text without changing your computer settings, and it only takes a few seconds. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're on your inbox or any email page you want to read more comfortably. Once Yahoo Mail is open, look at your keyboard and press Ctrl and the plus key at the same time. On most keyboards, that means Ctrl plus the plus sign. As soon as you do that, the page will zoom in and the text will become larger and easier to read. If the text still feels too small, just press the same shortcut again. You can repeat it multiple times until the text size feels right for you. This is a really handy trick because it lets you zoom in only as much as you need, whether you want a slight increase or a much bigger view. If you ever zoom in too far, don't worry. You can zoom back out by pressing Ctrl and the minus key. And if you want to return everything to normal, just press Ctrl and 0. That instantly brings Yahoo Mail back to the default zoom level. This method is especially useful if you spend a lot of time reading emails, checking attachments, or going through long message threads. Instead of squinting or changing your whole display setup, you can simply adjust the browser zoom and make Yahoo Mail much easier on your eyes. So to quickly recap, open Yahoo Mail, press Ctrl++ to zoom in, and repeat it as needed until the text is comfortable to read. It's fast, simple, and works great when you want a bigger view without any complicated settings. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.